Bamboo is actually a grass that is oftentimes mistaken for a tree, but it is part of the evergreen grass family. Bamboo is unique because it is the largest grass and the only one that can diversify into a forest. Once it is fully grown, some of the larger species can look like trees with a wood-like trunk, but they grow much faster and are more sustainable than hardwood trees. There are over 1,500 different species of bamboo which grow in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. It is one of the fastest growing plants on the planet and can grow up to 137 feet tall depending on the variety. It has incredible versatility and strength, and so this has made it an increasingly popular resource for furniture and a wide range of other items. Bamboo has culms, which are its stalk or woody stems. The new bamboo culms that come out of the ground are called bamboo shoots, and bamboo shoots of various bamboo species are used as vegetables in numerous Asian dishes and broths. Silica is a mineral which is available in our body in miniature quantities. And as we age, the quantity decreases, which in turn results in hair loss. Science has proven that bamboo contains about 70% silica, which is the highest concentration of any plant on this planet. It is easily absorbed and used throughout the body. So when you drink bamboo leaf tea, it will add an additional source of silica to your diet and in turn promote the growth of healthy hair. It will help provide moisture to your hair and improve the strength, elasticity, and sheen of your hair. It will also help to keep your hair looking youthful and lustrous by preventing split ends and speeding up hair growth. Bamboo leaf tea also contains some very important vitamins and minerals that are associated with healthy hair growth. So if you're losing hair, have a cup of bamboo tea daily and watch the amazing results. Silica also helps in the production of collagen, which is one of the essential proteins that is needed for maintaining the youthfulness of your skin and tissues. It can help to keep skin hydrated and feeling soft. It can also reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it can also help you to build strong, healthy nails. Bamboo leaf tea is thought to have a calming and relaxing effect that can comfort your digestive tract. So consuming bamboo leaf tea has been proven to ease off stomach pain, abdominal bloating, gas, and even diarrhea. Bamboo leaf tea is loaded with antioxidants and other substances that can slow the process of aging and protect your body from viruses and diseases. The dominant antioxidants in bamboo leaves are phenols, flavonoids, and vitamin C, as well as E. They all play a part in scavenging free radicals in the body that are known to cause cell damage. The silica in bamboo causes it to grow super fast and strong and yet remain flexible. Silica also boosts bone building and bone strengthening properties. So when you drink bamboo leaf tea, it will help to strengthen your teeth, improve bone density, flexibility, and healing, and may help to slow down age-related bone loss. You can use bamboo leaves that are fresh or dried to make your bamboo leaf tea. If you are making it fresh, you would use 1 tablespoon of fresh leaves to 1 cup of water. If you are using it dried, it would be 1 teaspoon of dried leaves to 1 cup of water. So to start, the first thing that you would do is to put the water to boil. Meanwhile that is being done, you can go ahead and wash the leaves properly. Once the water starts to boil, add the leaves to the pot, cover the pot and boil for about 20 seconds. Then turn off the flame and let it steep for at least 7 minutes. Strain it and allow it to cool. Then drink it. However, if you are buying your bamboo leaf tea bags or loose leaves from a store, then please follow the directions on the packaging. You can use bamboo leaf tea internally or externally. For internal use, 1 to 3 cups per day should be just fine, but it is always a good idea to maintain moderation. So if you're trying it for the first time, it is best to start off with a small amount first and then increase the amount of cups depending on how your body responds to it. Because it usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks of drinking bamboo leaf tea before a difference in nails can be seen, and for at least a month or so in hair, it's important to stick to a daily bamboo leaf tea habit for 30 to 60 days to see the effects. For external use, you can shampoo your hair and condition it, then rinse it with bamboo leaf tea and go ahead and apply whatever products you want to apply onto your hair and then style it. You can also apply it to your face as well, so you'd leave it on for about 30 minutes. If possible, you can leave it on overnight, and you can also use it as a toner as well. In terms of the side effects, there have been reports of contact allergies from bamboo shoots, but for the most part, bamboo leaf tea is considered a safe herbal tea when it is consumed in moderation. It is always recommended though for you to check with your doctor before trying any herbal tea. And if you're pregnant, you should be especially cautious about drinking herbal teas, and you should always check with your doctor before consuming them while pregnant. If you don't have access to a bamboo tree, then don't worry, because you can get bamboo leaf tea bags and loose leaves to buy on Amazon. You can also get the extract to buy there as well. So I have included a link to the latter in the description below.